Well, good morning. Welcome to day 4 of the Superior Hiking Trail trip. Had a good night last night. Didn't get a lot of filming in because we got in kind of late and campsites were kind of full, so we had to pick and choose and find some isolated spots where we could find some room to pitch our tents. But had a good night's sleep, and now we're getting on the trail, and we're gonna head to Camp 12, Section 12, about another 10-mile day. So we're gonna move it out and see what we can see today. Come on along. This trail is amazing. You got some beautiful wide open views so you can see all the way out to Superior. And then you get into the forest and you're greeted with these unique trails here. Trees coming in all around you. This is way cool. Well, now we got a bit of a road walk here, just a couple tenths of a mile. And then we'll meet up with the trail again. One thing I like about this trail is there's plenty of water options. Getting it all mapped out there, Huckster?
Sonju Lake Road. I'm just looking at it.
Taking a nice little lunch break here. Get some water, get a little food in us. I think we got about 6 miles left to go, a little under.
Yep, about
right.
that.
All right.
5.7 if I'm looking at it right.
Okay.
So,
Nice.
yeah.
Good. We should make that before dark. This is why I love to hike in the fall. All these beautiful trees. Wow. That's the best sight I've seen all day. What a climb. Whew. Got just a little bit more to go around the corner and I'm there.
That's fine.
Oh. Made it here, Tim.
Woo, yep.
And we got it set up. We're actually just a little bit above where everybody else camps here at Section 13. It's a nice little spot, big enough for a couple of tents. There's even a little fire pit over there if we need be, but I think we're just gonna go down with the rest of the group and
Yeah, maybe, yeah.
hang out down there for a little bit and have dinner. Got in here earlier than last night, so that was good.
Last night was pushing it hard right till dark.
Yeah, this feels good.
Same mileage, basically.
Mm-hmm.
Just a little bit more difficult till the end today.
Yeah.
Today was,
That last mile was steep.
holy crap.
All right, I'm gonna look for getting some dinner, I think, here, buddy. After a delicious meal of lasagna, it's time for dessert. Nice Snickers bar and maybe some bourbon. We'll see.
Up she goes. Mr. Red Squirrel can't get it. Uh-oh. I'll leave it about that high.
Yep. Looking good. Well, good morning. Welcome to day 5. We're heading off the section 13 campsite this morning, and we're headed to a state park campsite, actually. So I've got about 10 miles to go, and there's one section where the bridge is out. There's a suspended bridge. Well, we talked to a guy that said there's an easy ford about 20 yards upstream of that. No more than about maybe knee-deep water. So that'll save us about a 3-mile walk around that we'd have to do on a detour. So that's what our plan is today. That'll put us about 10 miles. So, all right.
We'll let Dan go over the river first.
Me first. Thanks, buddy.
Well, yeah.
All right, let's get on the trail. Well, no big expansive views today to see.
Just fog. Just a little fog, or a lot of it.
Fogged her in.
But what are you gonna do? It's quite the drop off there, though.
Yep. Well, this trail has a lot of this going on. Where it doesn't look as steep in the video, but that is pretty darn steep coming down. But you gotta take your time. But that's the trail. It's a lot of this up and down. Very few spots where you can actually just cruise. But pick your way through, take your time, and you'll get there. It's probably a good thing it's somewhat overcast today and in the clouds, because otherwise we'd be stopping every 5 minutes to look at this view. Holy cow, look at that. Wow.
I don't know how far down that is, but it's 1,000 feet for sure.
Oh yeah, we're at the top of the trees there.
Oh, way above the trees, yeah.
After you, about a mile and a half, mile or so south of section 13, you got to pop out on the road here and do a short little road walk before you jump back into the trail. This is what makes this hike worth it, Tim.
Absolutely.
Look at that view
It's just unbelievable.
out there. Wow. Wouldn't get old, would it?
Nope. It's something else.
Well, this is the end of our trip. This is the parking spot. Yes. Ta-da! We did it. Wow.
Walk in the park, right?
My friend, yes. So, just so you guys know, we ended up doing it one day less.
One day less.
I got some pretty severe chafing and some other issues. So we're gonna cut it a day short, take about 10 miles off.
Still
But,
about 55 though, hey?
Yeah,
Well, 55 in 5 days, so
it was,
you know.
it was an awesome trail.
Awesome trail.
I
Can't say enough about it. It's
Thank
just
you, Minnesota.
absolutely- Yep. Thank you, Minnesota. Thank you, SHT.
Oh my goodness.
Yes. Well done.
They said it was difficult. They weren't kidding.
You were right.
So how would you compare this to the Isle Royal?
Oh, it's definitely harder.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would say moderate Isle Royal. This is definitely difficult, or at least more difficult.
More
Quite a
difficult.
bit.
Yeah.
Yeah. So.
All right.
Yeah, the losses and gains are pretty dramatic. So.
Well,
but fun.
Huckster, I see a rock right there.
This one?
Yep, I'm gonna prop on.
Oh, let me
And
make sure it's okay for you. Yeah,
Thank you for testing that out.
Here, buddy.
All right, my friend. All right, well, thanks for coming along. It was a good trip. All right.